In this video, we will be seeing an Econocorp Spartan automatic cartoner where we are automatically loading wrapped packages of pancakes into an end-load carton measuring 5 by 3 by 9 inches at speeds of up to 35 cartons per minute. In this application, operators simply place the wrapped packages of pancakes into the intermittent bucket conveyor. When the product enters the load station, an optional tamp device comes down over the product to ensure it doesn't exceed the width of opening measurement to allow for smooth automatic loading via the pneumatic infeed cylinder. The carton blanks are erected from a magazine using a standard vacuum arm arrangement and placed down on a flighted chain where the leading and trailing flights guide the carton through the machine. The machine is sensitive to such conditions as no product, no carton erect, and no carton, no product loading. Once loaded, the carton passes by a set of mechanically driven dust flap tuckers before passing a set of glue pots which apply a series of glue dots of hot melt glue to the outer major flap. It is then compressed and sealed shut before being automatically discharged from the machine.